how to edit Word files in Google Docs without conversion. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily edit your Word file in your Google Docs. First things first, open up your Google Chrome, then open up your Google Docs, then go to File option on the top left, and then tap on Open, and then you can either choose from your drive or you can upload from your computer. Tap on Browse and go to the folder where your file is, tap on it and then hit Open, and then it will take a while to load, and then it will open up in your Google Docs. And now you can easily edit it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.